positive 2 points for your class. Alright, pencils down, hands up. Pencils down, hands in the air. This group is ready. Awesome. That group, I see. Here we go. College fam? Absolutely. Can I get someone to read the date to me, please? Just want to read the date to me, please. Miss Melvin. November 49, which is 7/2012. 2 other ways to say the date.
The opposite.
Alright, so that's exactly what we're going to do. When you subtract, you have to add the opposite. So this becomes addition, and this positive one now becomes negative 1. Same thing down here. I'm subtracting, so now I need to add. This was a positive 2, so now it's negative. We always like to add to our lives, we never like to subtract. Yes? You do the opposite of whatever that sign was before that number.
Let me see your finger first. Oh, that's lovely. Find all your points.
Alright, so now you go back to what you know.
How many points?
Different signs subtract, same signs
add.
So negative 3 plus negative 1. Are those different signs or same signs?
Same signs.
Same signs, which means I'm going to
Add.
find the slope of all those lines. Both of them are negative. You can tell me negative 3 plus a negative 1.
We don't need calculators for
Different.
that.
Negative 3 plus negative 1. Cameron. Incorrect. What? Negative 4. Over 5 plus a negative 2. Different signs or same signs, class?
Different
Different signs means you're going to what?
Subtract.
5 plus a negative 2. Nita. 5 plus a negative 2. Take the sign of the bigger number. Positive 3.
You're finding the slope of the
Now that you
segment.
know that the slope is negative 4 over 3. Negative 4 over 3. What do you say about this line? Which way is this line going? Which way is this line
Now you see the actual, axes of the grids, right? You can outline that in black marker. It would help.
It's going down because it has it's a negative slope. So now, Ms. Williams and I are going to help you, but I want you to try number 1 on your own. Number 1, right below it. Number 1 on your own. We're going to keep this up. Number 1 on your own. Make sure you show your work.
Okay. So now, Erica, you have to find the coordinates of each point. Okay? Because you're going to do that information, help you find the notes.
Make sure you keep it with your notes so you can reference it.
Okay. Which one comes first? So, when you're finding the coordinate, which number is listed first? The X comes first, and then the Y. See, for instance, on this point right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm over on my x-axis 4 spaces, and I'm down on my y-axis negative 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? But when I go down on my y-axis, my value is negative, right? Because look,
We're labeling the
1,
way.
2, 3, 4. And this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. All of these values to the left of my origin, 0 is negative. Okay? So these are my positive x values, negative x values, positive y values, negative y values. Okay? Does that make sense?
The first point is what?
Thank you for
Next word.
Second X and the second Y.
Okay.
That's why we're doing X one.
This one has two, one. It's X
So
one.
right there, wherever you get to,
X one.
Huh? Why are you thinking so?
right underneath it, you're gonna
What do you mean?
Now once you do the second one.
Okay. So each square is 1 unit, right?
Very good.
So
So now that you have your
this is 0, 0.
X
X coordinate comes first. So for this coordinate, what is my X coordinate? Or I'm sorry, for that point, what is my X coordinate? That. What is my Y coordinate? 1, -1, -2, -3. Yes, because when we go down on our y-axis, past the point of origin, alright? The numbers are negative. Does that make sense? What did I just say? No. 5, 5, -3. Which coordinate comes first, or which coordinate comes first, X or Y? X. Which one comes second? Y. So then what will the coordinate be for that?
If you finish early, go to the second round.
Are you doing rough drafts? The coordinates? Alright, I'll help you with the first one. So, point to my x-axis. X-axis. X-axis.
Okay, question.
Oh.
You're so
Yes.
yeah.
My x-axis runs horizontally. Okay.
You agree?
Which one is my y? Good. If it helps you label it. Okay. Okay, so in the middle, always, what are the coordinates at that point? In the
Make sure you
middle, right in the
simplify
middle.
when you get to the end.
What was it? 0 and 0, right? When you are around x and then y. Your x coordinate comes
Okay,
first.
John, make
followed by
sure.
your y coordinate. So let's start with this one down here.
Yeah,
What is
4
our
minus 5, right? And then you take this side and make that into a positive. What does it become? Okay, so this should have done it. And then you have different sides where you want to. We'll subtract right now, so.
And so, from this point,
Just because you're here, it's a little bit close.
when we go down, kind of like if we were to go under water. Right, if you're 1 foot below water. Does that make sense? Try that one.
Alright, class. Let's go over this problem together. Make sure that you have what I have on the board. First step is what? Raise your hand and tell me what is the first step that we do. What's the first step that we do? Ariana, label your points. So what points did you have?
And
3, comma, 5. And the second point is -1, 4. So, what should I have labeled this first one? X1, Y1. What about this one, Dante?
could do 2 types. It could be smaller,
X2,
like 1
Y2.
of your kite. could
What's
be
the second
here,
step?
And this
What's
is
the second step? What's the second thing I
And the
do?
other one could be down there. Those two
Use the
points.
formula.
Like this.
So I'm going to actually substitute in the formula. What's my Y2? Destiny? 4. I'm subtracting. What's my Y1? Cortiana. What's my Y1?
Something like that.
5. Over. If you don't have this, you need to make it. Over what, Jakara?
My x is
-1.
This is my x-axis. This is 4, right? So, what would be my y coordinate? Be
We're
right here.
subtracting in the formula. -3. Okay, make sure you make note of those careless errors. So when I subtract, I what? Add the opposite. So a lot of people are adding, but you didn't do the opposite. You can't just do that. So we add the opposites. When I subtract, I add the opposite. Okay? Going back to my rules. That's why it's important that you know the rules of rational numbers. What's 4 plus a negative 5? 4 plus a negative 5. Cameron. What'd you say? Negative 1 over. What's a negative 1 plus a negative 3? If I owe somebody $1 and I owe them $3 more, how much do I owe them total? Negative 1 plus a negative 3. Talia. Negative 4.
On the x-axis.
Oh, when you multiply, divide. There are some things that change. 2 negatives equals a positive. Stop. 2 negatives equal positive. Yeah, 2 negatives, so it's actually going to be a positive 1 4. Make that change. You don't have it? Good job. Yes, you can. Make that change. You don't have it.
What are you confused about? Okay. Janae, you're listing.
Guys, points last year in 6th grade.
Put this together. Put your exit ticket and your activity. Raise your hand. Tell me what is the point for number 2. What are the 2 points for number 2?
So,
Raven.
I'm going to draw my little grid.
Parentheses, negative 5, 3,
You guys need help with this.
Negative 5.
3,
3. Thank you.
We'll do a refresher.
2, 1.
Alright. What's the first step?
I'm drawing my
What's
board.
the first step, Dante? Label the point. How do I do that, Johnny?
Exactly.
X what?
Perfect. Here,
X
look
1.
over here. Okay, good. Guys,
Y1.
So that's only X the two
You say X squared?
at the bottom.
X2.
And then 1 Y2.
Y2. What's the next? Taylor, what's next? Set up our formula. You'll do the honors, please.
Put in 1
y-axis meet.
minus
Exit.
3
Be clear.
over 2 minus negative 5.
Ooh, tricky one. 2 minus a negative 5.
Right here.
Alright. When you subtract, you
Add the opposite.
you can tell what happens here.
Okay, so what is our slope?
You just told me it was
Okay.
one what?
What do you mean? Oh, Taylor, which coordinate? X or Y? X. So then would that be this horizontal axis or the vertical axis?
2 negatives.
Look, you can use this up here as a
2 negatives.
the guide.
So if you do 2 negatives, that's actually
When you change the minus to a plus, what is it minus the? Because you're adding the.
you get another one.
Add
Then you
the.
do you have to have the opposite. What's the opposite?
Where did look at the instructions
Four
for?
plus added.
Subtraction.
Guys, what are the instructions?
Opposite of the 3 that we had there. So it's positive, now then we become what? Negative. So negative 1 plus a negative 3. Negative 1 plus a negative 3. That's all one number. Negative 1 plus a negative m equals negative m plus a negative 3. So you have the same sign, that whole.
Yes. This line is okay.
Now we're going back to what we said, we multiply, divide, that's what people change, two negatives equals well, the first thing I see is what you did was step one. What's step one?
So what happens? You divide the names first.
We labeled our points.
So then what would the coordinate be of this?
Yes.
Just how many come up. So make sure you write. Like you had -4 to 44. So you'll know when you go back to this. Good job.
What next? Said what next? Let's go. Alright, my ladies will finish 1, 2, 3. Exit tickets.
Find according to that point.
This is your first set of coordinates. The very first one. That's why we do X1 and Y1. That's the
Y is
first.
positive above.
This second set is our second set of coordinates. X2, Y2. And that just denotes where it falls in that formula. Okay. So where's our formula? Write your formula right here. Oh, here, you got it right here. Okay. So we're using these coordinates, right? Label these. Right here.
What you see is does that make sense? So you need to find the slope between this point and this point. Alright, so you already said that. These right here, because that's the diagonal line. So is that between this point and this point right here is your line? Your slope will be positive or negative? Positive. So you have to plot those points. Does that make sense? And find the slope between this line right here. And you're right. Yes, ma'am. What do you mean you're gonna have one?
Okay, what's my Y2?
Where are you getting 2 over 4? What is that?
What's my Y1?
Plot the points? Yeah, but you plot the points like X, comma, then Y. Like this. Okay? Your slope is going to be written in a fraction form. Your slope is your rise over your run. That. So where are you getting the 2 and the 4? Is this?
I was doing 2,
But is that 2? First of all, that's 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then down. So is that going to be positive or negative? You're going down. Negative. But you need to write it like this.
They're saying the sign, so I think it's gonna be what?
Does that make sense? Okay, go back through and do all those. Go back through and do all those.
In the positive or negative?
Elijah had that
4 minus 5. Positive and negative. You're subtracting and you're gonna keep the sign of your what? Now, this is our slope right here. Very end, you may have a slope that be the same. Or, in this case, when you're dividing 2 negatives, it becomes
Elijah,
okay.
you had 2